And today, let's create that glitch effect. Okay, so let's open up Photoshop. Let's grab our layer. Got our layer here. Pull up the layer. Something cool. Let's spice this up a little bit. We're going to make a cool glitch effect. So let's make a copy here. Control J. Or you can easily drag your layer on down to this plus sign and you are absolutely golden. So what we'll do is we'll nudge this to, which would be your left. Click on the top layer here. Let's move it over about 5 places on the arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That works. So now let's change this. Let's right click, go to blending options. Let's go over here, right down here where it says channels. Click off the red channel there. So now we have something going on. All right, so let's grab our marquee tool. You can press M or just go up here to where you see these kind of stagnant ants. And let's go over here and just, I think something like so will be good. Now we got that in place. Now let's go up here, hit V, or you can go up here and click on your move tool. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. Then you take shift, click, and drag over. Now, of course, you don't have to shift, click, and drag over, but I just want to keep it in line. Let's see. Now let's press M for the marquee tool. Let's grab another area. Like so, pull it over like this. Okay, hit V. All right, now shift, click, and drag. You could be creative. You could pull it over as far as you like. We're just making a glitch effect. Okay, we'll repeat this process and go on down the line. Hit V, shift, and click and drag over. There we go. All right, M. Pull it over like this. Hit V, shift, click, and drag. There we go. M. We'll go a little bit thinner this time. Zoom in just a tad bit more. Hit V, shift, click, and drag. There we go. Okay. Something right here will work. Hit V, shift, click, and drag. You can go to the right or the left, however you choose. We'll spice it up a little bit. I'm gonna go in about halfway. And then pull it over a little bit like so. Do the same thing on this side, but just a little bit thinner. And that is literally it. We have one more step after this, guys. I'm just making it nice. Okay, that works. Okay, we'll just do a couple more cuts or a couple more glitches and we will be almost golden. Okay, so that part looks done, guys. So just to recap, only thing we have to do, select our marquee tool, press M, draw out a rectangle here, then hit V, that selects the move tool, and then we shift, click, and drag over, just like that. Okay, that looks good. Now, for the final steps, we'll go up here, add a new layer, and let's fill this layer here. Maybe we can do a fill with white, maybe. Let's see. Introduce the color from options here. It's already on white. That's great. Hit OK, and that is filled there. Now we travel up here to our filter and go to Filter Gallery. Click on Filter Gallery. And we are looking for a halftone pattern. So select that. Let's see. That is it's a pretty good sized document. So what I'll do is I'll go down to about maybe 3. Right here, the contrast is fine. We don't want it circle or dot. We want it on line, and then we'll hit OK. It looks good. So now we'll change the blending mode. While the layer we just created is selected, we'll go up here to go up here to our blending modes and multiply, darken, color burn. I think darken looks good. Then we'll change the opacity. Go over here to about I'd say maybe 25%. That looks good. Okay, that's it. We're done. Now you want to change the background. We'll drop out the background that I made previously and add a black background. Now that looks good. That looks good. So before we get out of here, guys, I just want to let you know that anything I have going on is down there in the description box, right beside the like button. You see what I did there? Did you see it? All right, guys. See you in the next video.